Here we are in beautiful Paso, Robles. We're picking the Pinot Noir, 25, 26 bricks. They're beautiful. Right now we're picking these blue tubs for bins to go to the East Coast to a winery. And once we're done with these 8 tons, then we're going to be packing regular RCG boxes, and those will go to the individual people. But if you see the lady down there, just scale for everything. Margarita, say hello.
Hola.
Hi.
She's the crew boss. She does everything. She drives forklifts. She does it all. And these gentlemen are picking away, and then we're going to go all the way up this big hill.
Una libra atrás, ¿sabes? Es media libra lo que tenía para atrás. Y luego yo la quise arreglar y no.
Así como estaba, nomás 38.
38.
Eso,
Yo la quise mover todo.
All right, well, good afternoon from Paso Robles. Good evening, good night. A few more pictures of some Pinot Noir here in Paso Robles at Opala Vineyards. Beautiful small clusters will make fantastic wine.